Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're focusing on a common beauty challenge: straight lashes. Finding a mascara that can lift, curl, and hold those stubbornly straight lashes is key to achieving a wide-eyed look. In this video, we'll review the top 5 mascaras that are perfect for straight lashes, breaking down their features, benefits, and how they perform. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 1, Shiseido Full Lash Volume Mascara. The Shiseido Full Lash Volume Mascara is a powerhouse in the world of mascaras, especially for those dealing with straight lashes. This mascara promises to deliver both volume and lift, making it a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their lash game. Key features: this mascara comes with a unique brush that's designed to reach every lash, from root to tip. The brush's curved shape helps in lifting and curling straight lashes, while the formula is enriched with conditioning ingredients that promote lash health. It's also water-resistant, ensuring your look lasts all day. Benefits and usage: Shiseido Full Lash Volume Mascara excels at providing a full, voluminous look with added curl. The formula is lightweight, allowing for easy layering without clumping. It's ideal for everyday use or special occasions when you need your lashes to stand out. Usability: the mascara's brush is designed for easy application, even for those who struggle with straight lashes. The formula glides on smoothly, ensuring that every lash is coated evenly. It's perfect for users who want a mascara that's both easy to apply and delivers noticeable results. Durability: this mascara is long-lasting, with a water-resistant formula that resists smudging and flaking throughout the day. Despite its staying power, it's easy to remove with a standard makeup remover, making it a practical choice for daily wear. In the second spot, we have Benefit Roller Lash. The Benefit Roller Lash Mascara is specifically designed to tackle the challenge of straight lashes. This mascara promises to lift and curl your lashes, creating a wide-eyed, doll-like effect that lasts all day. Key features: the Roller Lash Mascara features a unique hook and roll brush, designed to catch, lift, and curl even the shortest, straightest lashes. The formula is lightweight, allowing for buildable volume without weighing down the lashes. It also contains provitamin B5 and saran, known for their lash conditioning properties. Benefits and usage: Benefit Roller Lash is perfect for those who want to achieve a natural yet noticeable curl. The mascara's lightweight formula allows for easy layering, and its curling effect is immediate, making it ideal for quick morning routines or touch-ups throughout the day. Usability: the hook and roll brush makes application a breeze, especially for those with straight lashes. The curved brush ensures that each lash is lifted and curled, providing a more open, awake look. The formula is also designed to last, so you don't have to worry about reapplying throughout the day. Durability: Roller Lash offers long-lasting curl and lift, with a smudge-proof formula that stays put from morning until night. Despite its long wear, the mascara is easy to remove, making it a convenient option for everyday use. Coming in at number 3 is the Too Faced Better Than Sex. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara is a cult favorite, known for its dramatic volume and intense black pigment. It's particularly effective for those with straight lashes, offering both lift and curl in addition to its volumizing effects. Key features: this mascara features an hourglass-shaped brush that's designed to separate, lift, and coat each lash evenly. The formula is rich in collagen, which helps to thicken and volumize lashes without clumping. It's also designed to be buildable, allowing you to go from natural to dramatic with just a few coats. Benefits and usage: Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara is ideal for those looking to achieve maximum volume and curl. The mascara's thickening formula ensures that your lashes look full and dramatic, while its curling properties help lift even the straightest lashes. Usability: the hourglass-shaped brush makes application easy, allowing you to reach every lash, even those in the corners of your eyes. The formula glides on smoothly and can be layered for added intensity without clumping. It's perfect for those who want a bold, voluminous look. Durability: this mascara offers impressive staying power, resisting smudging and flaking throughout the day. It's also water resistant, ensuring that your lashes stay curled and voluminous, even in humid conditions. Removal is straightforward with a gentle makeup remover. Taking our fourth spot is Lancome Monsieur Big. Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara is designed to deliver bold, voluminous lashes with just one coat. It's an excellent choice for those with straight lashes, offering lift and curl in addition to its volumizing effects. Key features: this mascara features a large, fluffy brush that's designed to add volume and definition to each lash. The formula is rich and creamy, allowing for easy layering without clumping. It's also smudge-proof, ensuring that your lashes stay perfect all day long. Benefits and usage: Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara is perfect for those who want big, bold lashes with minimal effort. The formula is buildable, allowing you to customize your look, from natural to dramatic. Its curling properties help to lift straight lashes, creating a more open, awake look. Usability: the large, fluffy brush makes application quick and easy, ensuring that each lash is coated evenly. The formula is smooth and buildable, making it easy to achieve the desired volume and curl without any clumping. It's ideal for those who want a mascara that delivers bold, voluminous results. Durability: this mascara offers long-lasting wear, with a smudge-proof formula that resists flaking throughout the day. It's also water-resistant, ensuring that your lashes stay curled and voluminous, even in humid conditions. Removal is easy with a gentle makeup remover. And finally, at number 5, we have Diorshow Iconic Overcurl. Diorshow Iconic Overcurl Mascara is a high-performance mascara designed to lift and curl even the straightest lashes. This mascara is perfect for those looking for a luxurious option that delivers dramatic, long-lasting results. Key features: this mascara features a curved brush that's designed to lift and curl lashes from the root. The formula is enriched with lash conditioning ingredients, ensuring that your lashes stay healthy and strong. It's also designed to be long-lasting, resisting smudging and flaking throughout the day. Benefits and usage: Diorshow Iconic Overcurl Mascara is ideal for those who want to achieve a dramatic, curled lash look with minimal effort. The formula is smooth and buildable, allowing for easy layering without clumping. It's perfect for special occasions or everyday wear when you want your lashes to stand out. Usability: the curved brush makes application easy, ensuring that each lash is lifted and curled from the root. The formula glides on smoothly, creating a bold, dramatic look with just one coat. It's suitable for users who want a mascara that's both easy to apply and delivers long-lasting results. Durability: this mascara offers excellent staying power, resisting smudging and flaking throughout the day. Its water-resistant formula ensures that your lashes stay curled and voluminous, even in humid conditions. Removal is straightforward with a gentle makeup remover, making it a practical choice for everyday wear. And there you have it. These top 5 mascaras are your best bet for lifting, curling, and volumizing straight lashes. Whether you're looking for dramatic volume or a natural curl, there's something here for everyone. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and reviews. See you in the next video.